Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a quick toolbox tour. I've been going through my tools, going through stuff that I need to get rid of or set to a side, as far as what I got going on. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do with that. More likely, I know the spare cases and some of the storage stuff, the organizers, I plan on storing them and put the rest of the tools in my bigger box that I got going on. I got an aid of my little niece here. Say hello. Hey. She's going to help me with this toolbox tour. And we'll start at the top and work our way down. As you see, I got a little calendar, my CIB. Here's my power strip. So I can charge my USB stuff and my chargers to my battery charger or my flashlight. Back here, I keep my ply bars. These four right here. Up here, I got my screwdrivers, the most common ones I use. And I got my little spinner handle. I keep right here. Here's my voltmeter. Love that little thing. It works great. My most common used channel locks right there, the 420s. And underneath there, that's where I keep my hex bits. In the very back is where I keep my magnetic bars and my inspection mirrors. Here's my, in the top I keep all my SAE stuff. Right there is my 1/2-inch drive, the shallows and the deeps. Then I got my 3/8 stuff right here. My spark plug sockets, and my bits. And the back is my lockout tagout. Underneath that is my breaker bar, my ratchets, both regular and flex heads. There's my little 1/4-inch set right there. And in the front, my palm ratchets, both 3/8 and 1/4-inch. Right here's my 1/4-inch drives, my deep, semi-deep, shallow. As you see, my extensions. I keep my 1/2-inch extensions right here, and my 3/8 drive extensions right here. All right, off to the first drawer. Here's where I keep all my metrics. As far as my 1/2-inch drive, deeps and shallows. There's my 3/8 drive, hex bits, and tamper proofs. My 1/4-inch drives right here. And my little Mac 1/4-inch drive metric set.
Some of these look different than the others.
Well, because some are metrics and those are SAEs at the top. And here's my Wobble Pluses, my 3/8 drive, and my 1/4-inch drive. And my little organizer, so I can organize junk. Little odds and ends of stuff in here. Knives and pens and pencils.
You have gloves.
Yep, them are the safety gloves, so I don't hurt my hands. Alright, my tape measure. Off to the next, my wrench drawer, my first one. There's where I keep my SAE. There's my Allen wrenches right there, the ball. My SAE wrenches from 1/4-inch to 1-inch. My other set of Allen wrenches right there. My snap-on wrenches from 3/8 to 7/8. And right here's my flare nut wrenches. my first aid kit. I think everybody should have one in their box.
It's safety.
That's right. Safety first. Off to the metric drawer of wrenches. There's where I keep my metric wrenches, my pliers, my channel locks, my crescent wrench, my other set of metric wrenches, my Allen wrenches right there, and my flare nut wrenches right there in the roll. All right, off to the fourth drawer, I mean. There's where I keep my screwdrivers, my little stubbies. Yep. There's where I keep my small screwdrivers.
This one's magnet.
Yep. There's where I keep my picks. My short and extra long ones. My scraper. And there's my torque screwdrivers. The rest of my screwdrivers right here. Alright, off to the hammer drawer. There's where I keep my lockbox. My brass punches. My regular punches.
At the back.
My rubber mallet. And my ball peen hammers right here. And my non-marking hammer is this one right here. And off to the very last drawer is where I keep my impacts, my torque sticks, my 3/8 drive impact, there's my 1/2-inch drive impact, my spare batteries, all my impact sockets, both 1/2-inch, 3/8 drive, deep, and universal. My 1/2-inch drive extension. And that's it for the tour. Hope you enjoy this tour. Comment down below. Hit thumbs up or thumbs down. Please subscribe if you haven't. Take care and
Merry Christmas.
And have a safe one. And as she said, Merry Christmas to all.